What's the deal, YouTube? Back with another video. I know I've been gone for quite some time or whatever, but I got a good excuse for that. And outcome of that, hey, man, it's gonna be a good outcome for me. And so mainly the reason why I've been gone is 'cause I haven't had no content ideas or what I wanted to put out or whatever. But now, hey, I got some stuff for y'all. Stay tuned. So we're gonna start off with this little unboxing or whatever. So first, let's get into the little car cleaning stuff. I'm about to start this little car business. Just cleaning people's cars or whatever. I'm gonna leave a link in the bio. All the information. So what it is I'm gonna be doing and when I'm gonna be starting and my availability days. And then we're gonna get into the Jeep. Have her looking all nice or whatever, you know. I kind of opened it already to people who's inside. My bad. So you couldn't really call this an unboxing. So, damn. But as you see, I got all the products. Oh, and that over there. I'll go grab that in a minute. Got all my little chemicals or whatever. My tire shine and stuff. Little cleaner. We got speed wipe spray gloss detailer for outside of the cars. My little waffle weave. Cleaning windows, I'm assuming. Little spongy brush. One more kind of wax for the cars. I have my glass cleaner, windows, you know. Got dry towels. I have my wheel brush, clean the wheels and rims. Pretty nice. I got the wax, butter whip wax. That's what this brush is gonna be for when I'm applying it. Silk Shine protection coat. Snow foam, just a little scented foam for cars. And up there, got this box. I kind of opened all of it, so really, I don't even call this unboxing for real. We have, this came together, this came separate. I have my interior cleaning product. Fabric cleaner. So both of those interior, these is outside. I got my bucket, a little dirt catcher, whatever. My little cloth, what I use to wipe the cars or whatever. My little spray can for the foam or water, whatever. Hooks up to a garden hose. And I got my big ass bucket. See? Packed it all up. I'm gonna leave a link in the bio to their little website or whatever. Got it from Amazon. Pretty good price. Got everything included. And then we're gonna get into the car stuff. So Jeep. Got a pretty good design. Whatever. Right here we have the grill inserts. We're gonna go off for it. Well, I ain't gonna tell y'all. Y'all just gonna see. I ain't gonna say nothing, not gonna say too much. But yeah, got my black grill inserts. Gonna show you how I pop those in. Might take me all day. Right here, we have, now we can say, call it an open because this ain't open. All right, now that we got it open, little license plate cover. Yeah. They got rugs or whatever. Oh yeah, I got all this stuff from Amazon. Good price. We gonna pop that on. I'm gonna show you how I pop that on. This big ass box. Let's open this. Alright. We have here, I'll start from the left, LED strips. I'm gonna put these in. Should be sweet. Chucking. My little call it a toolkit. Help me remove my bumper, whatever. And then we got the steering wheel cover. Yeah. All right, now I'm about to take y'all outside and show you how it's. All right, so this is the start. I'm about to pop these out, put the new ones in. LEDs. I'm gonna show you how I do that. Go around on the inside, and then finale, we're gonna do this little plate right here. I don't like how that's hanging, so we're gonna get into that. But for right now, I'm finna do this, and I'm gonna show y'all the before. This is the before look, and I'm gonna show you the after. We had difficulty installing the grill inserts. Whole time I thought I bought the ring, I bought the grill. So I gotta order these to change them out. I'm deleting all this chrome, just so you know. Ended up buying the wrong product, so I'm gonna have a professional do that while I do this license plate. Hopefully I can do this. I messed that up. All right, let's do this. Nah, wrong one. Hold on. I ain't gonna lie. It's cold as hell outside. If you from Michigan and Detroit, you know how cold it is outside. It's cold as fuck. My hands don't even work, man. So I'm gonna screw this. Man, this shit, okay. Alright, that's one. Got one up. I'm going for the second one. But yeah, man, the way I'm about to do this truck, you're gonna be like, hey, that's a nice ass truck. I'm telling you. That's a nice ass truck. But no, man, on the real note, I'm just doing what I like, man. You know? I'm a Venom type of person. Venom my favorite guy, man. You know? Alright, got that off. Let's put the new one on. Where's that? Oh, it's on the roof. Alrighty. So y'all, if I could just open this shit. Boom. There we go. Got it open. This is what it looks like. Get it down there. Boom. Oh, whole time I could put this on there. But I ain't gonna do that. Got the Mopar. Yeah. Alright. Let's throw this on there, man. Oh shit, we don't want that happening. Hold on. Fuck around and fly off on the freeway. That'd be so shitty. It ain't going nowhere. Boom, and we're done. So y'all get a good look at it. Mopar. And then that's the whole one down there. Now we finna do these lights on the inside. Now that we on the inside of the car, out the cold, I gotta show y'all something. So, boom, just my little gas pump thingy thing. And then check to push the start button. The motherfuckers leave. Alright, there's the lights. Got a little tool set. Just in case I need it. We're gonna apply the steering wheel cover on first. And then go ahead and get into the installation of the lights. Let's get this wheel cover on. Y'all see it? Yes, I do. All right. This mug nice. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, man. I like it. Very comfortable. Yeah. Alright. And I'm getting the sense that this is not gonna fit. It already looked too small, even though it said it'll fit. I'm just having a bad day, man. From ordering the wrong thing to pieces not fitting, and it says it fits on my truck. That's crazy.
12 seconds
okay, I'm gonna get
later.
back with y'all when it's done.
This is tired. This is as far as I got, man. I gotta do this part right here. I got it over here. I'll let y'all see the rest. Watch me struggle trying to get this on. Yeah. This thing hurt my hands,
It's so cold, my hands is literally numb, man. But this is the final product of the steering wheel. Took hella tries. Glad we're done with that. Now let's get to this right here. So the way I'm thinking about doing it, put one there, passenger side, and maybe running it along both driver and passenger side, or should I run it along the outside of both? Let me know. Alright guys, let's get the opener. I'm telling you, it's so cold. See? Bruh. Nose running. Oh, yeah. Alright. Oh, don't want to lose those. Box empty. Here you go. Zip ties. Screws. Manual. You know we don't read that stuff. Like it, share it. Give us a little QR code if y'all want to, share your thoughts. If you guys were to buy it, that's where you go. No. They gave us these little twisty shits. Oh. I'm trying to work as fast as I can, y'all. This video is longer than what it needed to be. And that's only because it's cold as shit. It's too cold. This Michigan weather is no joke, y'all. Tell you. So when I'm done untying this, because my fingers froze, I'm going to get back at y'all. Alright? Alright, y'all. Finally finished untangling it. My hands are so numb, man. Tell you, man. Alright, let's get to this. Turn these off. Open the door. Alright. So, you got your little power plug inlet, outlet, whatever you want to call your shit. Your controls. Hold on. I'm missing something, y'all. Oh, never mind. It's the app. I'm tripping. Alright. Hold on. Give me 1 sec, guys. Alright, that's what the user manual was for. Control box user. LED strip for control box. Alright, cool. That's okay. I'm thinking I was missing a remote control or something. Alright. So, let's get to figuring out where we're going to put this at. Alright. Untangle. Right here. Okay, yeah, you know what? I don't know why I shut out the ceiling. So we gonna do it like this. Put it right here. Because I had that little hole right here. So the cord, So I run it along this. Plug. Put this in the inside. We gonna split these. Hold on, y'all. Let me sit y'all down. This took so long. I'm on the last layering strip. I got it running through this all the way to the back. I'm gonna show y'all. And I'm hooking them right on that. This took so long. Hold on. Shit. Alright. Let me show you how I did it. Man, I'm so tired. So, I got it running along the side right here. Right under the seats. Put it under the floor mat. Got the wire right there. Coming all the way along that. Boom. Tucked it in there. Brought it around. All the way. Even that side. Same way. You see the wire there. Going. There you go. All the way up under there. I applied it the same way. Going under that. Around. What I did here. Where's that? Oh. See? There you go right there. What I did was attach. I just put it onto the carpet, between the seats, as you can see. Right here. You can see the wire. There go one. That is the wire. And I got it all the way back there. I put that on top of the carpet too. See? Gotta go in between here. Let me show y'all. Boom, gotta go in between this. Come all the way down. Put that on the carpet, and then the power source right there. God damn, I'm tired. Alright, we're gonna crank this up. Oh shit. And we're gonna see how it works. Once I download the app. Let me download the app and I'll get back to you. Nigga, what? Stop playing. Come. There you go. Nah, thank you. This ain't that what you looking at.